Hello, I'm reporter Arab reporting from Antarctica and I'm hiking in the middle of a huge snowstorm.
Hello, I am reporter Aneshka. On May 19, in the year 2002, something very dangerous happened in Japan, in Tokyo. I didn't know a lot about it, but Dr. Costanza knows a lot. We invited her so she can tell us about it. If the temperature increases to 6 to 7 degrees Celsius or more.
Thank you, chemist. What are we doing better? Is there something we're doing better? Of course, we're doing all the global warming worse, but is something that we're doing better since someone made awareness? Thank you, chemist. And that will be it for our report.
Hello, I am Rati. I am reporting from Australia. Today I am reporting about the Australian bushfires. It's so bad that lots of animals are injured.
Our team name is Help Our Earth. Turn the screens off after using them. Recycle lots of things. Use the other side of papers and use scrap paper. And use glass instead of plastic.
Farmer crops will not grow properly when there is less rain and bad weather.
We produce CO2 when we drive cars, when we go in airplanes, with factories, by producing anything like clothes, farming.
I think it was very nice that we could do this kind of thing and write something about news and do a little theater out of it.
Great.
Partner work?
Sounds good. Thank
I
you.
also felt it was nice to be in teamwork.
Great. That's good. Anishka?
It felt like TV when you filmed us and we done a news thing.
That.
I like that we were allowed to do yoga and meditation
Okay.
because it helps you relax.
Great. Perfect. Yes, girls.
I didn't like that lady's voice in the meditation thing,
You
and
didn't, okay.
it was a bit disturbing. It hurts, so she can't tell us. Sorry, I have to laugh because there's something very funny.